Hello, my brave learners. Welcome back to Brave Voice English. I am very happy to see you here today. Let me ask you a simple question. Why do many English learners study English for many years but still cannot speak fluently? Is it because grammar is too hard? Is it because vocabulary is too big? Or is there another reason? Today, I will tell you the real truth. Most learners do not fail because English is difficult. They fail because they do not practice speaking every day. They only study English, but they do not use it in real life. So when they try to speak, they feel nervous and forget words. But today is a new start for you. I am giving you a 7-day English fluency challenge. This challenge is very simple and very easy. No stress, no pressure, no fear. Just small daily speaking practice. If you follow this challenge, you will feel more confident in just 7 days. So stay with me and let's begin your transformation. This is a very simple speaking plan for beginners. In this 7-day English challenge, your goal is not to become perfect. Your goal is to start speaking English every day in a small and easy way. Many learners think they need long hours or difficult lessons, but that is not true. Real progress comes from small daily practice. Every single day, you will do just one small speaking task. It will not be difficult. It will not be confusing. It will be very simple and clear. You do not need to study big grammar rules. You do not need to learn many new words. You only need to use the English you already know. You will practice for only 5 to 15 minutes each day. This is enough. You do not need more than that. Even a few minutes of speaking every day can change your confidence. The important thing is not time, but consistency. If you practice every day, your brain slowly gets used to English. You will use simple sentences like, I am eating, I am going to work, or today is a good day. These small sentences help your brain start thinking in English naturally. At first, it may feel strange, but slowly it will become easier. This challenge is made to help your brain stop translating from your language. Instead, your brain will start creating English thoughts directly. You will feel more comfortable, more confident, and more natural when you speak. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You just need daily practice. Step by step, your speaking will improve, and your fear will become smaller. This method works because fluency is not something you can learn only by reading or watching. Many learners think that if they read English books or watch English videos, they will automatically become fluent. But this is not true. You cannot learn speaking only by studying. Speaking is a skill, and skills need practice. Fluency comes from using English again and again in real life. It comes when you speak, even if your English is not perfect. It comes when you try, even if you make mistakes. Every time you speak, your brain becomes stronger in English. Every small effort builds your confidence step by step. The most important thing is daily speaking practice. When you speak every day, even for a few minutes, your brain starts to accept English as something normal. At first, it may feel difficult, but slowly it becomes easier. Your mouth becomes used to English sounds, and your mind starts to think faster. Another powerful reason this method works is repetition. When you repeat simple sentences every day, your brain remembers them deeply. You do not need hard words. You need simple words used many times. For example, saying, I am happy, I am learning English, or today is a good day, again and again, helps your brain build automatic speaking ability. Confidence is also very important. Many learners are afraid to speak because they worry about mistakes. But in this method, Mistakes are normal. You are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to improve. Every mistake teaches you something new and helps you grow. Even small practice can create big results over time. Just 5 to 15 minutes of daily speaking can change your English completely. If you stay consistent, you will see progress. Your fear will become smaller, your confidence will grow, and your speaking will become more natural. By the end of this 7-day challenge, you will notice a real change in your English speaking ability. This is not a quick magic trick, but a simple daily practice that slowly builds your skill and confidence. If you stay consistent and follow each day step by step, you will feel the difference in your mind and your speaking. First, you will speak more confidently. Right now, you may feel shy or nervous when you try to speak English. You may worry about mistakes or correct grammar. But after practicing every day, your fear will slowly reduce. You will start speaking with more courage and less hesitation. You will feel more comfortable using English in simple situations. Second, you will start thinking in simple English. At the beginning, you may always translate from your own language. This slows you down and makes speaking difficult. But after daily practice, your brain will start creating small English thoughts naturally, like, I am eating, I am working, or I feel happy today. This is an important step toward fluency. Third, you will stop translating in your mind all the time. Translation makes speaking slow and stressful. In this challenge, you will slowly train your brain to think directly in English using simple words and short sentences. This will help you speak faster and more naturally. Fourth, you will build a daily speaking habit. Even 5 to 15 minutes every day is enough. The key is not long study hours, but regular practice. When you speak every day, your brain becomes familiar with English. It starts to feel normal, not difficult. Fifth, you will reduce fear of speaking. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, but in this challenge, you will understand that mistakes are part of learning. You will feel braver and more relaxed when speaking English. This is the most important rule of this entire challenge, so please listen carefully and remember it in your heart. You do not need to be perfect. Many English learners stop speaking because they are afraid of mistakes. They think, my grammar is wrong, or my sentence is not correct. Because of this fear, they become silent. But silence does not help you improve. Only practice helps you grow. In this challenge, we are not looking for perfect English. We are looking for practice. We are looking for effort. We are looking for courage to speak. So do not try to be perfect. Perfect English is not the goal. Progress is the goal. Even fluent speakers make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches your brain something new. Also, do not stop when you make mistakes. This is very important. Many learners stop in the middle of speaking because they feel afraid or confused. But if you stop, your brain does not learn. You must continue speaking even if your sentence is not perfect. Keep going. Keep trying. Do not freeze, just speak. This is the simplest rule. Speak what you know. Use the words you already have. Do not wait for difficult vocabulary. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Start with small and easy sentences like, I am learning English. I am happy today. Or, I am practicing speaking. Even simple English is powerful. You do not need big words to express yourself. You only need clear and simple communication. When you speak simple English every day, your confidence grows. Your brain becomes faster. your fear becomes smaller. Remember this rule every day. Speak first, think less, and do not stop. The more you speak, the better you will become. My brave learners, listen to me carefully. This is not just another English lesson. This is something more powerful. This is the start of your speaking transformation. Today is not only about learning English. Today is about changing the way you think, the way you practice, and the way you use English in your daily life. Many learners stay at the same level for a long time because they only study English. But they do not use English. They read, they watch, they memorize, but they do not speak enough. That is why speaking feels difficult. But now you are starting something different. You are starting a simple daily speaking journey. If you follow these 7 days seriously, step by step, you will see real improvement. Not because English is changing, but because you are changing. You will start speaking more freely. You will start feeling less fear. You will start using English in a more natural way. Each day of this challenge is building your confidence. Each small practice is making your brain stronger in English. Even if the progress feels small, it is still progress. Small steps every day become big results over time. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself with others. Focus only on your own improvement. Today you are better than yesterday. Tomorrow you will be better than today. This is how real learning happens. Remember this very important truth. Fluency is not magic. It does not come in one day. It does not come from only watching videos or reading books. Fluency comes from action. It comes from speaking again and again, even when you make mistakes. Fluency is daily practice. If you speak a little every day, your English will grow naturally. Your fear will become smaller. Your confidence will become stronger. And slowly, speaking English will feel easy for you. So trust the process, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. This is your transformation journey, and it starts now.